This is what state violence looks like. When people with power expect the public to stop asking questions. Renee Good was a woman, a mother, a wife, a human being with a life that mattered long before it became a headline. She dropped her child at school. She was driving home with her partner, and during an encounter with federal law enforcement in Minnesota, she was shot and killed. And immediately the familiar script rolled out. Official statements, claims of threat, assurances that the use of force was justified, because that's how this always starts. What we know is this: Renee Good is dead. Her family is grieving, and the people who pulled the trigger are protected by layers of authority, procedure, and delay. We are told to wait, to trust the process, to let internal reviews work themselves out. But here's the problem: when the same system that authorizes force also investigates itself, accountability becomes optional. And when the federal agencies operate with expanded authority and limited transparency, the burden quietly shifts onto the dead to justify why they deserve to live. Witness accounts and emerging footage raise serious questions. Questions about proportionality, questions about necessity, questions about why lethal force was the answer in a moment that ended a civilian life. Those questions do not make someone anti law enforcement, they make someone pro human. This is why people are angry. This is why communities protest. This is why justified no longer satisfies anyone paying attention, because justice doesn't mean closing ranks. Justice means transparency, independent investigation, real consequences when power is abused, not silence, not excuses, not another life reduced to a footnote. Renee Good's life was real. Her death was real. And it should not be normalized, minimized, or buried under bureaucratic language. If the state can take a life, the state must answer for it fully, publicly, without immunity from scrutiny. For Renee Good, hold those in power accountable.